Wizards, loss functions are your neural net error signal, darling. They tell the optimizer how wrong we are. Ethan, explain MSE's math. Sophia, how do they fit day 74?
Anastasia, you make loss sound so hot. How do they shape training, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Loss functions guide learning. Ethan, Sophia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, loss is like a hot compass for Sophia. MSE squares, cross-entropy logs. Let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, mean underscore squared underscore error squares errors like a hot penalty for Sophia. Big mistakes hurt more. Let's drop this code beat.
You're penalizing my heart, Ethan. MSE for continuous targets.
Wizards, binary underscore cross-entropy logs probabilities like a hot truth serum for Sophia. 0 or 1. Let's drop this code beat.
You're truthing my heart, Ethan. Binary C for 2 classes.
Wizards, categorical underscore cross-entropy compares 1 hot labels like a hot vote for Sophia. Iris has 3. Let's drop this code beat.
You're voting my heart, Ethan. Categorical CE for multiclass.
Wizards, sparse underscore categorical underscore cross-entropy saves memory like a hot shortcut for Sophia. Labels as integers. Let's drop this code beat.
You're shortcutting my heart, Ethan. Sparse CE for integer labels.
Wizards, compare losses like a hot showdown for Sophia. MSE for numbers, CE for classes. Let's drop this code beat.
You're showdown my heart, Ethan. Comparison shows best for Iris.
Wizards, build nets with loss equals. Sparse underscore categorical underscore cross-entropy, like a hot experiment for Sophia. Test each. Let's drop this code beat.
You're experimenting my heart, Ethan. Different losses for different tasks.
Wizards, model.fit, trains with different losses like a hot race for Sophia. See which converges best. Let's drop this code beat.
You're racing my heart, Ethan. Training shows loss effects.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores losses like a hot judge for Sophia. Accuracy, loss. Let's drop this code beat.
You're judging my heart, Ethan. Evaluation shows best loss.
Wizards use sparse CE for integer labels, MSE for regression, and monitor loss curves. Choose based on task.
Optimized loss is so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 76 as optimizers.
Wizards, loss functions fit AI pipelines for error-guided learning. Your skills are ready for day 76.
Loss is critical in AI, darling. Your day 75 skills make AI irresistible.